Hey, I saw this new feature that seems to be fantastic. Basically, I'm prompting, getting a result. I want to share the result with my team. So let's see how it works. So I'm gonna try to find a good example here in my demo environment. So give me a list of documents and a short summary in one sentence of documents that can help users to better understand Copilot. Let's use GPT-5 and let's run it. So this is a typical prompt in the Copilot chat, but you're gonna see if there's a result, hopefully. Okay, so there's few results in my environment. Okay, with a short summary, and now you have this feature in here, the plus button, and I can share that in a group chat. So I can enter the name of the people, so I'm gonna add some people. Let's do that. I'm not sure what this means. Up to two, include last. Maybe it reused the group chat. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna. Oh, I can just do two. So double check the sensitive information. I guess that's if there's a sensitivity label on my documents, I guess. But let's try that. So I'm gonna create that. So it's creating the group chat, and it will tell me when it's ready. So might have to wait. I'm unboxing that. I just saw a video from somebody else. I wanted to try it, and sure enough, now I have a notification here. So I don't have to open here because I have a notification because I'm in the group chat. So I'm gonna open this. I don't need that. Apparently open several windows. And so now, as you can see, Copilot was added in the group chat. So there's John, Noah, Tim. If I look here, I can see there's another person, which is a bot, which is an agent, which is a Copilot agent. And now I have, I have the result of my prompt. This is pretty cool. Would you like me to compile this into a downloadable resource guide? So I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna try it. So my guess is now I can add mention Copilot, or can I? Yeah. Yes, please compile the summary of these documents and create a Word document with it. I'm really skeptical about this one, but let's be crazy. I'm skeptical because I'm not sure if you understand there was a previous prompt with results, and you can figure that out from the previous result. And I'm also skeptical where it's going to store the document. So apparently it does it. And so if I click it, I can see, it's a weird URL here. So if I click on it, yeah. So basically, to me, that's a typical hallucination. So that's one limitation. So what else can I ask? Okay, Copilot for. So I'm gonna ask Copilot the following question: could you describe with more details the first guide in your previous answer? So again, I'm not sure if the context of the previous prompt here is still there. So it was you understood Microsoft guide for users. Yeah, so he understood, he maintained the context, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's fantastic. So you can imagine the number of questions you can ask to Copilot while you're in a group chat, maintaining the context, and obviously have access to those documents. So if I click on that, I guess it's going to open the document, hopefully. Don't know why it's not reusing my credentials. Ooh, maybe I'm not going to go there. Let's try that. I'm not sure why I lost the credentials, but yeah. Oops. Not sure what's going on here. Let's close all those windows. But apparently it opens a document, so if it's a shared document, obviously you need to be sure that the document that Copilot is bringing back is accessible by the people in the group chat, which is not true. I don't think it's going to change any permission on this document. But you can see it's pretty awesome because you can have a first conversation by yourself and then keep having this conversation. What I don't know is if people in the group chat don't have the Copilot license, will it work for them? Can they invoke the Copilot bot? But the experience is super great because you definitely like what I do often is I share a lot of documents, and maybe people don't see that, so maybe I can do a prompt give me the last documents I created this week and with a summary, and then it brings back that, and then all my team have access to that. There's so many use cases to add Copilot as a bot, and starting in Copilot chat or directly, you can do that directly in your group chat. You can add Copilot as a member of your group chat. So super powerful. It's not available in all the tenants. It's available in my demo tenant, but not in my production tenant. But it's gonna come quick, I guess, because I think it's a super valuable feature. Hope you liked it.